Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We appreciate you joining us and thank you so much for your support. Today guys, we'll be driving in Ruiru Town, the fourth largest urban center population-wise in Kenya. So please join us and watch until the end and we will really appreciate it. Ruiru Town is located in Kiambu County of Kenya along Thika Superhighway. Ruiru Town also lies within the Greater Nairobi Metropolitan region. The Greater Ruiru Town is the fourth largest urban center in Kenya by population after Nairobi City, Mombasa City, and Nakuru City. Please remember to share, to like, to leave a comment, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much and keep watching. As Kenyans go out to vote, please remember Kenya is our only home. Let's stand firm to defend it. Dwell in unity, peace, and liberty, shunning hate, violence, and tribalism. Let's unite and build our nation together. Some of the neighborhoods of the Greater Ruiru include Ruiru Town, Tatu City, Kahawa, Githurai, Mwihoko, Membley, Kamakis, and Northland City. Ruiru Town also hosts two private infrastructure developments, Tatu City and the Northland City projects. Ruiru is an industrial town with several major manufacturing factories being located in this town. Ruiru also hosts Kenyatta and Zetech universities. Like we mentioned earlier, Ruiru's population has risen over the recent years, making Ruiru the fourth largest urban center in Kenya. The rapid population growth is as a result of shortage of affordable housing in Nairobi, infrastructure development around the area like Thika Superhighway, Nairobi Eastern Bypass, Nairobi Northern Bypass, and Tatu City. Also, several residential development and neighborhoods have also been constructed around Ruiru Town. Ruiru Town could become Kenya's fifth city, having met the requirements to obtain a city status in Kenya. Ruiru Town has been preparing for that by upgrading their infrastructure to be more modern and an establishment of a fire and a disaster preparedness center. Ruiru Town has also upgraded its market by building a modern market that meets international standards. Ruiru is an ideal place to live due to its accessibility from the larger Nairobi Metropolitan area. Ruiru is also an ideal place to live due to its affordability in terms of housing, education, and food availability. And also Ruiru is an ideal place to live due to its amenities being within reach. We hope that Ruiru Town will continue to grow, and also more towns in Kenya will continue to grow, which is good for the economy of Kenya. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, have a great day, be kind, choose love over hatred, and peace over violence. Bye-bye.